In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Hostinger in just a few easy steps. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to Hostinger, this guide will walk you through the process of managing your payment methods seamlessly. Let's get started. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Hostinger's website. Once there, you'll notice the clean and intuitive design they have. Now find the login button. It's typically located in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on it to proceed. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials to log into your Hostinger account. If you don't have an account yet, there's an option to create one right here. Remember, having an account is essential to manage your payments effectively. After logging in, you'll land on the Hostinger control panel, often referred to as the H panel. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your Hostinger services. From here, look towards the sidebar where you'll see the billing section. Go ahead and click on it. This area is specifically designed for handling all your billing related activities, making it easier to keep track of payments and subscriptions. Next, within the billing section, locate and click on Payment Methods. This will lead you to the page where you can view and manage your existing payment options. If you're setting up a payment method for the first time or looking to add another one, this is the place to do it. Now look for the button that says Add Payment Method and click on it. Hostinger supports a variety of payment methods, providing flexibility based on your location and preferences. This helps ensure that you have a suitable option available to seamlessly pay for your services. Once you've clicked Add Payment Method, it's time to select your preferred payment option. Click on Choose a Payment Method. Here you'll find a list of different payment methods such as credit cards, PayPal, and others. Be sure to select the one that works best for you. It's crucial to choose a payment method that you're comfortable and secure with, ensuring peace of mind as you continue to use Hostinger's services. That's it! You've now successfully learned how to navigate the payment process with Hostinger. Always make sure to double check your payment details to avoid any interruptions to your service. With these steps, managing payments on Hostinger is not only efficient but also quite straightforward. Thanks for following along, and happy hosting with Hostinger.